and welcome to Lecture 2 of C Programming Language, offered by Undergrad Academy. In this video, I will show you how to download dev.c, an IDE for C, C++. Go to your Chrome browser, type dev.c download. Here you will have the link for Bloodshed, free download for Windows, continue to download dev.c++, and the download will be started. I will continue when the download is complete. When the download is complete, go to your downloads, click on dev.c, yes, click on yes, please wait while the setup is loading, select language, English, agree, next, your location, install. I will continue when the installation is complete. Now the installation is complete, click to finish and run dev.c++. These are the settings for your theme, font, color and icons. Click next, OK. And this is the window for dev.c++. Click on File, New, Source File, and here you go. So that's all for today. Now I hope you guys will be able to download this dev.c++. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any updates from Undergrad Academy. Please like and comment your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.